Hello lovely people, welcome you back to Home Sweet Food channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I do prepare my Ghana wheat and rice and one more. So I have 3 cups of wheat, there's no foreign particles, everything is clean. I'm using the California pearl rice. It's kind of the type that we normally call in Ghana the broken rice. I have sunflower, onion, salt, and then I have my seasoning. We start by cutting the onion, or you can chop it if you want it. This recipe is so quick, you can do this for dinner or lunch. Let's get into it. So my pan is heated, I just pour in my sunflower oil, then my onion. I'm gonna fry this to golden brown, so all the sweetness in the onion release in the oil. Keep on watching Home Sweet Food. I thank you all for your support. So I have been frying this onion for 10 minutes and I'm just setting some of the onion aside. This part is not necessary, you can skip it. So when the rice and the wheat is done, I just put it on top. So I wash the wheat 3 times and it's time to add to the fried onion. Then I'll add the rice and the salt and then the seasoning. Keep on watching Home Sweet Food. We we quick lunch or dinner you can give it a try and let me know how you also make it. Then I add my chicken and then the herb season and then salt. You stir everything and then you add your water. I'm not adding my water. I have 5 cups of wheat and then 1.5 cups of California pearl rice. Then I added 6 cups of water. You can use any type of rice that you want. So at this point you need to cover it up and then you coat till it soften, or how you want your rice. So I'm going to make my sauce. I have red bell pepper, tomatoes, onion, hot pepper, and then I have my eggs. So at this point I'm going to give it a quick stir so that the heat transfer even, so that everything cook well. So give it a stir so that the heat transfer evenly. So it's almost done. This rice has been on fire for 15 minutes and I'm not adding the onion that I set aside. This type is option, I don't need to do it. Keep on watching. So the rice is done and let's go make our hot pepper. So I added my onion, tomatoes, and then the red bell pepper, and then I added salt, and then my sauce is done. This is what I'm going to enjoy with my wheat and oil rice. And you say hola is ready. You are all invited. But I won't say you can't eat this without adding your egg and then your avocado. You know it. So at this point I'm frying my egg and then you just enjoy. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. Like this video if you like what I did, and then leave me comment. Subscribe to this channel if you have not for more recipe. Thank you all and stay blessed till we meet in another video. Thank you all. You are all invited.